Have you ever noticed that one small word can completely change a sentence? That's the magic of helping verbs. A helping verb is a verb that works with the main verb to make the sentence grammatically correct and to show time, ability, possibility, or obligation. For example, in the sentence, she is reading a book, the word is the helping verb because it helps the main verb reading. Similarly, they were playing football uses word to show a past action. In I have finished my homework, the helping verb have tells us the action is completed. We also use can to show ability, as in he can swim, and will to talk about the future, like we will travel tomorrow. Words like must, should, may, and might express obligation, advice, or possibility. So remember, helping verbs don't perform the main action, they simply help the main verb give the sentence its correct meaning. Follow for more easy English grammar lessons.